Hello there, this is Dave Allen and we're going to look at what we can do to secure our email. One of the things you can do if you're using Gmail is to use this, which will give you FlowCrypt, which will allow you to send emails using PGP. You have to connect your FlowCrypt to your Gmail account and it's all pretty easy. I think you should give it a go. Another thing you can do is to set up your account with two-factor authentication. So go to Manage Your Account. And in security, go to two-step verification. So we're going to change that to get it started. You have to verify that it's you first of all, so click on Next. And you use a phone number, click on Next. So it validated the PIN, I can turn on two-step verification. Now there's a couple of ways of doing this with verification. And I suggest, if you can, use Authenticator app. Now I've got an Authenticator app. I've got two Authenticator apps. You can use the Google Authenticator. You can use Authy, which is the one that I like. And you can also use 1Password, which is another one that I like. So let's set it up with an Authenticator app. Let's go through here. It's on my iPhone. Click on Next. Now all I've got to do is go to my Authenticator app and I'm going to use 1Password this time. Let's just open 1Password. Doing this on my phone now. Okay, so what you do is you open up that and you do add a new one-time password. I'll click on the button for QR code. And the code has been scanned. And all I've got to do now is click on Done. So there's the one-time password and it counts down from 30 seconds down to 0 and then it sets a new one-time password. So even if you found my standard password, then you'd have to get the one-time password, which you'd only be able to get if you got my phone. You was able to get into my 1Password account and you was able to get it that way, and that's not going to happen, I can tell you. So let's just click on Next on here. So I've got to enter the 6-digit code that I can see in 1Password now, which is 179011, and click on Verify. Another way that you can use two-factor authentication is to use a security key. Now these security keys are quite good, but they do cost money. I think you have to pay about 20 or 30 euro to buy one of these, and basically you plug it into your USB port and it will only allow you to get into the account if it's plugged in. Another thing that you should do is to go to your backup codes. Now these backup codes, you want to keep them in a safe place. So one way of doing that would be to do a screenshot. I don't care if you see those because I'm going to get new codes after I've finished recording this video. So if you've got these backup codes, you're still not going to be able to get into my email account. So don't even bother trying. So you can click on download on this here and it'll download the codes into a text file. And I want to get new codes. So that's how to set up two-step verification, as I call it in Google, or two-factor authentication as it's called in other places. So good luck. Get into two-factor authentication and protect your email. Okay, so it's all a matter of ease of use, convenience against security. And I reckon you should go with the security and get some good two-factor authentication going on your account. Okay then. This is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky. Bye-bye now. Talk to you again soon.